If you have PlayStation 5 console and you want to connect your PS5 to your Amazon Fire TV, then here's how you connect and properly set up your PS5 with your Amazon Fire TV for the first time. Let's begin. The first thing that we are gonna do is grab the HDMI cable, connect one end of the cable to our PS5 console and the other end to any HDMI port of our Fire TV. After that, with our Fire TV turned on, we will connect the power cord of our PS5 console and then plug it into power. Now that we have connected our PlayStation 5 to our Fire TV, we will turn it on by pressing the longer button that's at the bottom. Then if we go to our Fire TV's input, you will see the HDMI port light up, which has our PS5 console connected. And you will see the PlayStation logo, and then it will take you to the controller connection page. And then it will ask you to connect your controller for the first time. For that, just grab the cable that's included, or any USB cable with a Type-C interface, and then plug one end into the PS5 DualSense Controller, and the other end will go into the front or back USB port of our PS5 console. After you have connected them, press the PS button. Now your controller is paired, and if you wish, you can disconnect the cable now and it will work via Bluetooth. So let's begin the setup process by choosing our language. It will ask you if you want to turn off screen reader. Make sure to turn it off if you don't need it. After that, connect to your Wi-Fi. After that, you'll need to adjust your display area using the up and down arrow of the D-pad so that it fits your TV screen. And in the next step, you'll have to adjust the HDR so that the brightness logo is barely visible. You'll need to do this in 3 steps, and now HDR is fully calibrated. Now your PS5 will ask you if you want to insert a game disc so that it installs while you're setting up your PS5. So if you have a disc, then to insert it properly, make sure the game art is facing to your left. Then gently insert it, then your PS5 will drag it inside. Now we can move to the next step, which is power option. This is very important, as choosing low power mode will disable your PS5's capability to install update while it's in rest mode. And if you choose optimized experience, this will make sure your PS5 and all your games is up to date in change of extra electricity use. So choose any options by highlighting them and pressing X, then select OK. After that, you'll need to agree to the license agreement, hit confirm, and the next step will be signing in with your PSN account. If you don't have an account already, then you can also create one from here. We will select sign in manually and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll get to choose whether you want a login passcode or not. We're gonna skip this by pressing OK. After that, if you have a PS4, then in this step you'll be able to transfer your PS4's data to your PS5. But for this video, we are just gonna select skip and finish. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your PS5 and connected it to your Amazon Fire TV. So now you can hop right into gaming. But before getting into gaming, you'll need to adjust some very important settings. For example, if you want to use your Amazon Fire TV remote to control your PS5, turn it on with your TV and vice versa, just like you see here, then you'll need to make sure that you have HDMI CEC enabled on your PS5 settings. And the most important settings will be switching to enhanced HDMI signal. For that, you'll need to press the settings button on your Amazon Fire TV remote, go down to picture settings, then find HDMI input mode from the list and switch to enhanced. Now you're all set, so go ahead and start gaming.